Hey guys, just another one that we're busy repairing. Zante managed to hit the wall last race and went in sideways. As you can see, the whole side's a bit knackered. I've already removed the rear fender here. We're going to be putting that section there on. So yeah, replacing this one here. We're going to put 2 new doors on there, or second-hand doors, and then the replacement fender there. Then obviously give it all a coat of paint. So here goes.
As you can see, fender's on, busy halfway through the welding. The owners of the car pitched up yesterday, so we got chatting and whatnot. Got a bit late, so left it. Going to go on with it today, weld everything up, grind it down, start with filler that we can get this thing painted. Right, here we go. Back here now, managed to weld up the seam here and the seam down here. Done a bit of tacking down this side. Got quite a bit of filler on the car before, so yeah, we'll neaten that up again now. Some seam sealer and some filler, make it look good again. Then the other thing is to weld up the inside seam here. It's also had a bit of a whack in its life before. It's not the first fender that's gone on here, so yeah, get cracking on that now, get that all stitched up, get the wheel back on, get the car rolling. But we're waiting on doors to arrive, so I'm going to use some second-hand ones here just to line it up. I've got the fender, it's lying in the back here. So yeah, I'll get this cracking. What's up guys? Got into this car today, prepped it, sanded it. Unfortunately I didn't take video of that, but yeah, here we are. It's late at night, you can see outside. I'm going to give it a shot of paint, make it look pretty again. I can start getting the stickers ready and get the decal kits going. But yeah, here we go. Put some black on here, car's looking good. Sprayed the inside of the doors. Unfortunately had a bit of a paint reaction on this one. And have a look there. There's obviously whoever painted this door previously didn't put enough hardener in the paint, so it's only on that spot around the frames, but I've stopped anyway on the door. I'm going to sand it down again tomorrow and go from there. But yeah, so inside of this one's got clear coat on, fender over here has got clear coat on, and obviously the back end of the car is done. So yeah, bar that we can assemble everything except the passenger front door. So yeah, it just takes us back another day in the program, but anyway, it is what it is. So yeah, till tomorrow. See Grant's car's being collected there. That one, put the doors on and bolted the fenders on and everything after the welding was done. It's going to go away now and have body filler and paint done. Then when it comes back, obviously we'll put the gearbox back in there and have it ready for next Saturday. Hey guys, as you can see, Zante's car's dried overnight, looking good. Have a look over here. I just pulled some of the tape off and have to check there. Panel looks good, almost no need for polish. Blended it around the back here. Got to put a light in there. Unfortunately the front door on the inside reacted, so we're going to have to give that another coat. But yeah, the fender over here is looking good. Also just a little bit of bumper slider trim there so that the bumper stays up. That's good. Inside of the back door is looking good. Unfortunately the reaction over here, you can see there how it's reacted. So I didn't finish spraying. I thought it was going to just waste paint. So, and there's also a bit of a reaction up the frame here. So yeah, anyway, so I'm going to assemble what I can now, and well actually I'm going to spray what I can so it's got longer to dry. And while I'm waiting for that to dry, I'm going to assemble the rest of the car. So anyway, here goes. It's ready to go. Unfortunately, I think I told you guys earlier, the one door reacted, so this one's busy, the front one's busy drying. Back one's assembled. We're going to put the backlight in, get all the bolts in the fender, because this is all loose. Get that sorted, and yeah, have everything done bar this door. so the car can go to the dyno and be tuned up for the race. Okay, there you go guys. Side of the car's assembled. All we're going to do tomorrow is put this door on when the paint's dry, and then the door handle on the back that we don't have, waiting for that to be delivered. But for the most part, yeah, the car's together. Got an insert for the seat because she's quite a small lady. So yeah, just to try bulk up at the bolts aren't loose around her waist. Because obviously she fits between the holes in the belt and the back of the seat. So we just bulked her forward a bit there. Just need to give it a good clean, get the door handle on. So yeah, lights are all in, all the rest of that. They've removed some of the old stickering here, so it'll go for new stickers. The numbers are moving from the door to the window, so modernizing stuff a bit. But yeah, otherwise inside that's it. So yeah, we'll go off to the dyno tomorrow to be tuned. And we'll sit on the track Saturday. So yeah, that's Zante's car, 90% there. So yeah, let's see how it goes. It'll obviously look a lot prettier on Saturday once it's been cleaned up, new stickers and all the rest of that.
What's up guys? You can see we have pre-assembled the door now after it gave it another night to dry. So yeah, now it's just got to go on that side of the car over there. And we're golden. So yeah, then the car can go up to the dyno. So we'll give it a bash, see how it goes.